Hey everybody, Daryl here, man with sense. Got another one in today from Essence of Love out of Hialeah, Florida. Y'all can see that, Essence of Love. If y'all hadn't checked these guys out, you really should. Excellent customer service. And if you like Middle Eastern fragrances, they got you covered, man. They got some cool stuff and great prices. Let's see what we got in here. I know one of them is supposed to be Kayaan Classic. Let's see what we got here. We got Wataniah Attar Kayaan Classic and Wataniah Attar Al Wesal. And again, guys, this is from Essence of Love. Check them out if you haven't before. Great little shop. Oh man, they give me an extra in here, guys. Let's see what they give me here. One I've been wanting to check out. Okay, let's see what we got. Attar Al Wesal. Packaged them up really well too. See if I can get in here too. Look at all that, see? This one, I think, is supposed to be a rendition of Le Mans. I'm pretty sure. Wouldn't swear to that, but I believe so. And it got your Wataniah, which is a subsidiary of Latafa. It's on the top and back. And Attar Al Wesal on the front and back also. Batch code information on the bottom. This one was made 11/22. Nice bottle, guys. Y'all might have seen this before. Very nice. Plastic lid. Let's get us a test strip here. We might be able to oh man, that's I like that, guy. Other thing I've got for Le Mans is, and it might be Ultra Mall for 9 p.m. Wow, guys. Attar Al Wesal. Beautiful bottle. Beautiful lid. Smells amazing. Dropped it. Oh boy, I like that better than I do 9 p.m. I think. And I like it a lot. Boy, I like that. Let's put a little of this 9 p.m. on a strip, see what we get difference-wise here. What do you think? My cabinet looks kind of slim, y'all. I got a bunch of them taken out. I'm going to take on vacation with me. Do a little videos. Headed down to Florida. Redneck Riviera. Panama City Beach. Definitely sweeter than 9 p.m. "9 p.m. comes across a little more harsh, actually. Smooths out nicely, though. But the Al Wesal, I do believe I like it better than I do the 9 p.m. That's nice, y'all. Moving on. First impression of that one. I'll give that a 7.5 out of 10. And that will more than likely go up. All right. The other one here, one that I ordered, was the Kayaan Classic, which y'all all know is a dupe for DHI. And if you any of you follow Aromatics Neeb over there, he says this is the best one for it. And he had never steered me wrong. This one right here is the one I've got, which is, well, actually I've got two. I've got Illusion Intense from Emperor, which is, excuse me guys, stuff falling off hitting my tripod. The Emperor Illusion Intense, that's DHI. And I also have Ultraman from Aston, which is also a copy for DHI. That one's not as good as this one. This one right here is superb. This one's going to have to be really good to beat it, in my opinion. The presentation beats it, because it came with just a plain old box. And this one, look at here guys, that's a nice presentation there. You know I like those pretty boxes. I mean, I keep my boxes anyway, see. Let's get this little fella out of here. Let's see if Neeb was right. What do you think? Get us a strip up here. Let's see, I've got DHI up here also. Find that little fella. Dior Intense. Let's see what we got, guys. Nice hefty cap. Y'all probably already seen this if y'all have watched Neebs or anything. Boy, these bottles are warm. Nice atomizer. Ooh, dang, y'all. He did not tell a lie. There's no alcoholic opening in this. Sugar britches, that's good right there. Dang. He was not lying. Let's put us a little the real thing on there. Whatever I've done with it here. There it is. Boy, in there, guys, that smells almost identical. Boy, to the untrained nose, wow. He did not tell a lie, guys. That one right there is the bomb. That one right there smells as good as the real thing. That's pretty good stuff right there. Now, I'd like to check. Give me two freshies here. We're going to check the Privé pressurized sprayer. I like that about that one. You can see they're both pretty heavy on there. Man, those are really close. I think all three of them are excellent. The Kayaan Classic may be a little smoother than the others, even the DHI. All right. Moving on. See what they sent me here. Looks like the Myth from Latafa. They sent me this one for free. We're going to check it out. Yeah. That's a Mason Alhambra's The Myth. I said Latafa, didn't I? My bad. I was thinking of the Wataniah. Been curious about this one for a long time. Because I always really liked the bottle and the box. Mason Alhambra's The Myth. I don't know if y'all guys can see that real good. Nice decoration. All your info on the back. There's our batch code stuff. It's hard to read on that black. I mean, black on that blue. 0822. So this was made about a year ago. Comes with its own little baggie. I like those. I carry those with me when I go put them in my briefcase. There's the bottle, y'all. Super nice. Nice dark blue bottle. Nice heft to the cap. Let's see what this one smells like. I have no idea what this one is supposed to copy or anything. I've read it before, but I cannot remember. Let's see what our sprayer. Oh, that's nice too, guys. Nice and floral. That was nice and fresh, guys. It's like I say, I know nothing about this one. That's nice though, really nice. I'll have to do some more research on that. Definitely got a floral lean to it. Not sure which one that is for sure. But anyway, guys, these right here, minus that one, that's not it. These right here, we got in for our new ones. We got Mason Alhambra's The Myth. That one there's liable to go on vacation with me too. I like it really well. Probably all three of these will. Kayaan Classic, which y'all know. Fingerprint magnet looks like. And Attar Al Wesal from Wataniah. Beautiful bottle on that one. Which is a copy for one of the Lamals. I'm not sure if it's Ultra Mall or just Lamal. But this one's sweeter than the 9 p.m. I really like this one. This one I like better than the 9 p.m. Anyway, guys, that's first impressions of these, and these are in no way they these aren't sponsored or anything. He just sent me this one because I'm a repeat customer, quite a good one, and I will be again. He treated me right. He always does. If y'all haven't tried them out, look for Essence of Love on shop or WhatsApp or Instagram, and check them out because they'll hook you up, man. Check back later for more info on these guys. I'll check them out, and it may be while I'm on vacation. I'm not sure. Later, y'all.